Ammeter is the current measuring device, electrical device. We know that in galvanometer, in last period, by using the galvanometer, we have to measure, we have to detect the electric current in the electric circuit and whether the direction of electric current. By using the galvanometer, we cannot measure the electric current, but only whether the current flows or not in the circuit. That is I be the electric current which is to be measured. When a large current passes through the galvanometer coil, the galvanometer coil gives a full scale deflection. Suppose that a galvanometer we have to measure a 1 ampere of current. We measure, for example, 1 ampere of current, and that will be passes through the galvanometer coil. The galvanometer coil, galvanometer pointer gives a full scale deflection. When only 1 milliampere of current passes through the galvanometer, it shows a full scale deflection. Therefore, the large current, 1 ampere of current, cannot be measured by the galvanometer, because when only 1 milliampere of current passes through the galvanometer, it shows a maximum deflection, full scale deflection, so that when 1 milliampere of current passes through it, it shows a full scale deflection. The large current cannot be measured by the galvanometer due to its high resistance. And the galvanometer coil is also delicate. When a large current passes through the galvanometer, the pointer of the galvanometer coil, there will be a breakup, so that a galvanometer of resistance Z is to be decreased. That is how the ammeter, how the moving coil galvanometer is converted into ammeter. How the MCG, moving coil galvanometer, is converted into ammeter by connecting a very low resistance. By connecting a low resistance parallel with the galvanometer coil. When a small resistance is connected in parallel, then the total resistance of the device decreases, and we have to measure the electric current, the sum of the current, maximum current. Therefore, the ammeter is nothing but ammeter is a low resistance device. Ammeter is the parallel combination of galvanometer and a small resistance which is connected in parallel with the galvanometer. That small resistance is called as the shunt resistance. समजा आपल्याला गॅलव्हॅनोमीटर मधनं 1 अँपिअर इतका करंट पास करायचा आहे, मेजर करायचा आहे, आणि जर आपण तो पास करण्याचं जर आपण ठरवलं तर हे गॅलव्हॅनोमीटर 1 मिली अँपिअर इतका करंट पास केला की ते काय दाखवतं, फुल स्केल डिफ्लॅक्शन दाखवतं, मॅक्सिमम डिफ्लॅक्शन दाखवतं. त्यामुळे आपल्याला 1 मिली अँपिअर इतका करंट मेजर करता येत नाही. त्यामुळे आपल्याला या गॅलव्हॅनोमीटरमधनं आपण एक बायपास करंट काढतो आणि लो रेजिस्टन्स डिव्हाइसला कनेक्ट करतो. A moving coil galvanometer is converted into ammeter by connecting a low resistance parallel with the galvanometer coil. That is called as the ammeter. And that is always connected. Ammeter is always connected in series with the circuit. Ammeter is the parallel combination of a small resistance. That small resistance is called as the shunt resistance. It is called as the bypass. Out of the total current I, the sum of the current passes through that is Ig with the electric current, Ig with the electric current which flows through the galvanometer coil, and I minus Ig with the current passed through the shunt resistance. Therefore, ammeter is the parallel combination of shunt resistance and the galvanometer coil. That is, we have to measure the potential difference across S equal to potential difference across Z. Potential difference across the galvanometer. Potential difference across S is I minus Ig into S. S is the small resistance equal to potential difference across the G, Ig into G with the resistance of galvanometer coil. When current passes through the coil, the galvanometer coil will opposes the current, that is called as the resistance, called as G with the galvanometer resistance. Therefore, S equal to Ig into G divided by I minus Ig. That is the formula for the ammeter. And the effective resistance of ammeter is that resistance of ammeter equal to 1 by S plus 1 upon G. That is 1 by Ra equal to 1, the LCM is SG, that is G plus S. Or Ra equal to effective resistance of total resistance of ammeter is SG divided by G plus S. Then the second device, that is called as the voltmeter. By using the voltmeter, we have to measure the potential difference between the 2 points in the electrical circuit. Potential difference between the 2 points in the electrical circuit. That is, we take, suppose that we have to measure the potential difference between the point A and B. Potential difference between the 2 points A and B, that is V. V is the potential difference which is to be measured. Suppose that a galvanometer is connected parallel. Galvanometer is connected in parallel to the circuit. By using the galvanometer, we have to measure the potential difference. The galvanometer range measure is small. How the moving coil galvanometer is converted into voltmeter? By connecting a high resistance, capital R, in series with the galvanometer, coil. Therefore, a moving coil galvanometer is converted into voltmeter by connecting a high resistance in series with the galvanometer coil. Ammeter is the parallel combination of low resistance and the galvanometer coil, and the voltmeter is the series combination of resistance, high resistance and the galvanometer coil. Ammeter is a low resistance device, voltmeter is a high resistance device. That is Ig with the current flows through the galvanometer. Therefore, V equal to potential difference equal to Ig into G plus Ig into R. Here Ig into G, V equal to Vg. Vg is the potential difference across the galvanometer, and VR is the potential difference across the high resistance. Vg plus VR. By using the Ohm's law, we have to find the potential difference across the galvanometer, that is current into resistance, and potential difference across the resistance is Ig into R, that is V equal to Ig in bracket G plus R, or G plus R into Ig equal to V, or G plus R equal to V upon Ig, V by Ig, or R equal to V by Ig d minus Ig. This is the required formula for the voltmeter, and that is the required formula for the ammeter. Ammeter is a low resistance device. It is the combination of how the moving coil galvanometer is converted into ammeter by connecting a low resistance. That low Low resistance is called as the shunt resistance. It is connected parallel to the galvanometer coil. So that ammeter is a low resistance device. It is the parallel combination of shunt resistance and the galvanometer coil. By using the ammeter, we have to measure the current. How the moving coil galvanometer is converted into voltmeter? By connecting a high resistance of proper value in series with the galvanometer coil. It is a high resistance device, and the formula is R equal to phi upon Ig minus Z. Highlight करायला.